माननीय आमदार प्रेमेंद्र शेट.
Because sir, there is fear and anxiety in the minds of dairy farmers who deal with the supply of milk to the various dairy cooperative societies and private dairies, etc. However, it is observed that the support price given by the concerned society to the farmers is very meager, where the farmers have to bear additional losses to maintain this business. The support price is generally based on the key components like fats and SNF, inclusive of quality of milk rather than the volume of the milk. The price of the milk is influenced by the market rate due to dairy products like ghee, cream, milk, powder, paneer, etc. However, the farmers have to bear high price of fodder, labors, veterinary cares with small figure of profit. Therefore, in order to flourish the business of supply of milk, farmers demand to enhance the present support price to extent of the reasonable price whereby they could maintain and cover the cost of production, that is feed, fodder, labor, veterinary cares, as well as margin of their profit. In the view of above, I urge the Honorable Minister for Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services to kindly look into this matter to revive and enhance the present support price given to the farmers to clear fear and anxiety and maintain their milk supply business with encouragement to increase the supply of milk. Because sir, आमच्या गोंय राज्यांत आनी भायल्या राज्यांत दुधाची जी रेट आहा तिचो अभ्यास करचो. आज भायल्या राज्यांत दुधाची रेट खूप वाडलेली आसा आनी वाडोवन दिल्ली आहा तांकां, पण आमच्याच राज्यांत आमकां ती वाडोवन मेळना. हेजेर माननीय मंत्र्यान थोडेशें आमकां सपोर्ट प्रायस वाडोवन दिवपाक लागून आयज उतर दिवचें.
सभागृहाचे कामकाज 5 मिनिटांनी वाडयता.
तांणी जो सांगला पळय न्ही ताजो आमी ऑलरेडी बजेटान डिक्लेअर केला. हांवें फक्त कित्याक गोवा डेरी कडेन आयज शेतकरी थंय ऑलरेडी येवन उबे रावला ताका हांव सांगपाक सोदता बजेट पास जावनी 1 एप्रिलांतल्यान तांकां जो सपोर्ट प्रायस दिता वो सपोर्ट प्रायसूय आमी वाडयता आनी तांकां मंथली पेमेंट दितले पळय न्ही तेजेर हांव सांगता आमी बँके कडेन ऑलरेडी टायअप केला. तेंचे पेमेंट जे आहा इन्सेंटिव्हचे तेय बी मंथली दिवपाचें हांव प्रोविजन.
स्पीकर सर, एकूच मिनिट स्पीकर सर.
हय
स्पीकर सर,
कितें जाय
स्पीकर सर,
तोच करून दिता हांव थंय फोटे.
स्पीकर सर,
येस स्पीकर सर.
सपोर्ट प्रायस वाडोवन दिले म्हणून रेट कॉम्पेन्सेट जावची ना. स्पीकर सर, माझी मागणी आहा की रेट दुधाची वाडपाक.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.